Before getting into the video, I would like to say one thing. Please check the description box. I'll put the exact timestamp of what I've spoken in today's video so that you can generally rush to the spot if you want to see my views on this product, or if you want to know about the product or anything. I just put the timestamp below so that you can just go to that timestamp. Yeah. So don't forget to check the description box. Hi guys, namaste, welcome to Naya Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, I'm Shruti and I talk about products which are related to makeup, skincare and health. And my channel is not just meant for women. I talk about products which are related to men as well. Yes. Okay, so today I have with me a skincare product, and this is from the brand Jovies, and this is the Jovies Wrinkle Lift Cream. Wrinkling is a very natural process. As we age, our skin starts to sag and we get wrinkles. Now it is entirely up to you whether you want to conceal them or you want to flaunt them. It's your choice. This is an Ayurvedic preparation, so 100% zero side effects, and this says this has almond and ginseng. Ginseng is basically ashwagandha, which is very good for our skin, and that actually helps in getting rid of wrinkles. And this, as I showed you, this retails for 210 rupees and this is 60 grams in quantity. Okay, what this claims, I'll read it out. Yeah.
This says a Jovies Ayurvedic Advanced Anti-Aging Formulation contains almond, ginseng, honey, vitamin E and other powerful herbal extracts that will help to accelerate the cell renewal process. Okay, minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and improve skin tone. It also helps to improve skin elasticity to give it a supple, clear and younger look.
Perfect. Method of use: wash preferably with Jovies strawberry face wash and pat dry. Okay, apply the cream in morning and evening all over your face and neck using light circular strokes with fingertips. Leave on. Okay. This has active ingredients are almond oil, ginseng extract, olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil and purified water. This basically has zero chemicals and this will expire by 07/22. You have a lot of time, you can keep using this. And this is a vegetarian product and has not been tested on animals. And yeah, so this is basically a very good package if you're looking for a harmless anti-aging cream, because there are many anti-aging creams which have loads and loads of chemicals. So let's see. This is like this. This is a very basic white colored cream. It is actually slightly yellow and the fragrance is very basic, like very normal, just like any other, just like a basic cream, to be very honest. Okay, yeah, this blends out quite well. The fragrance is kind of mild, it's not that overpowering. This says that this is for normal to dry and dry skin. Okay, they have written dry twice, like it's for normal to dry and dry skin. Now I would like to say something on this. I have dry skin and I applied this cream once and I would say that this is extremely oily. I can never recommend this cream to oily skin people, because as it is summer, and if they apply this and if they go out, I mean, it's difficult. I can't even imagine. If you have extremely dry skin, like extreme dry, then I think this will be good. If you have normal to combination skin, I don't think that this will be good for you, because this is oily. This feels a little heavy on skin. This can be very good during winters. All in all, would I recommend this to you? Yes, if you have if you have dry skin, you can definitely use this. And if you have oily skin, what you can do is that at night, like before sleeping, like you just apply it on your target areas, like where you get wrinkles, like it can be your forehead or the corner of your eye, or any where you feel that there are wrinkles. You can just apply this over the wrinkles. That's it. I don't think this is a bad, either this will work or this won't work. And these kind of creams, they take a lot of time to show results, so you have to be very patient. And this has all good things, as I read it out. This has coconut oil, and coconut oil is known to give you wrinkle free skin, and coconut oil is really good. So I think you can give this a try. Just oily skin people, just please stay away from this. Yeah. Okay, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you.